Welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. I'm Ron Weingartz. Today I'm here to talk about the Exmark LR series mowers. These are all brand new series to replace the LZ series, which has really been the benchmark of quality and performance for decades now. In fact, this is celebrating Exmark's 25th year of the laser. So let me start with the LRE. So this would take the place of the LZE. So what they've done is, see, it looks very similar, but they made some nice changes, like the easy height and cut adjustment with, this is a magnetic pin, with easily marked quarter-inch increment adjustments versus having to look on the side and trying to get the pin lodged in. So it's much easier to use, and they've used that on some other models, so it's a very proven system and very easy and quick to change. Some other nice changes, they double-sided the caster, the anti-scalp wheels. So that just helps protect if you do catch something on the side. Over the years, you might break that caster wheel. So it's fully supported on both sides across all the laser series decks. So it just gives you a little longer life, a little more durability. New suspension seat. When I say new, this has been used in the past, but this is a full suspension seat, 1.5 inches of travel. Comes standard with the nice cushioned armrest. So it's a great, comfortable seat. Probably the biggest change, this uses a Hydrogear 4400 transmission. The Hydrogear 4400 is a proven transmission, but this is used instead of the UHT that we'll find in some of the other models as we talk about the LRS and LRX series. So the 4400 is a proven transmission, but this is a pump to wheel motors system, which you'll find on a lot of the other machines in the market. So it's a great transmission, and they really did that because what they found with the LZE series, they kept adding all these great features, and the price just got higher than some people for an entry-level mower wanted to spend. So they wanted to build something Exmark quality, Exmark performance, not cutting corners, but this Hydrogear pump system is just a little cheaper drive system than you'll find in the UHTs. So the great news with this, significantly lower pricing than last year's LZE, still getting the Exmark signature quality and cut, great performance machines, comes in 48, 52, or 60-inch cutting decks with a variety of Kawasaki engine options available. And they still use all the good FX series Kawasaki's with the nice heavy-duty air filtering system. So Exmark quality at a very affordable price. Stop in and see us.
Weingartz, everything.